The world is full of amazing creatures. Baby animals are some of the most wonderful. They are small and often very cute. Their arrival brings a sense of joy and new beginnings. We watch them with great fascination. They remind us of the beauty of nature. This is the start of an incredible journey, a journey of growth and discovery. Every new life is precious, a tiny spark. When a baby animal is born, it is often helpless, or it hatches from an egg, tiny and new. It depends completely on its parents for everything, for food, for warmth, and for safety. Its world is very small at first, focused only on its mother and its immediate needs. It must learn so much so quickly. This early time is very important for its future survival. Imagine a newborn kitten, its eyes still tightly closed. It cannot see the world around it yet. It can only smell and feel its mother close by. It makes small mewing sounds to call for her attention. Or think of a little kangaroo, a joey. It is born incredibly small, almost like a bean. It climbs into its mother's pouch instinctively. There it stays safe and warm, drinking milk and slowly growing. This first stage of life is very delicate indeed. Baby animals are vulnerable to many dangers in the world, but within them is a powerful, innate drive to live. They hold the future of their species in their tiny bodies. It is a true miracle to observe this process. Nature's intricate plan unfolding step by careful step. Each breath is a small victory, a quiet promise of what is to come for them. Baby animals often look very different from their parents. They have special features suited for their early life. These features help them survive these first few weeks or months. Sometimes the change into an adult form is quite astonishing. A tiny, wriggling larva, for example, will not always stay that way. It has a secret plan for its development. It is preparing for a big, remarkable transformation. Many young mammals are covered in soft, downy fur. This fur acts like a warm, protective blanket. It keeps their small bodies from getting too cold. They might have large eyes compared to their heads. This can make them seem especially charming and endearing to us. But these big eyes also gather more available light. This helps them to see better when it is dim. Their senses are slowly waking up to the world. Some babies, like little birds still in a nest, are born completely helpless. They have no feathers to keep them warm, nor do they have feathers to help them fly away. They lie there waiting patiently for care. Their parents must bring them every single meal without fail. They open their mouths wide, chirping loudly for food, trusting completely that food will arrive soon. They are totally reliant on parental care. Other young animals are much more developed right at birth. A baby giraffe, which is called a calf, can stand up within an hour. Soon after taking its first wobbly steps, it can walk. It can even run alongside its tall, watchful mother. This is very important for their lifestyle. Giraffes live on open plains where predators roam. The calf must be ready to move with the herd to stay safe from harm. Nature gives them this quick start. The journey from baby to adult is wonderfully varied across the animal kingdom. It is certainly not the same for every animal. Each species follows its own unique timetable and pattern of growth. Some creatures grow up very quickly in a matter of weeks. For others, becoming a fully developed adult can take many long years. This incredible diversity clearly shows nature's amazing adaptability. It is a true marvel to witness these different strategies for life unfolding. Think about an insect, perhaps a colorful butterfly that flits among flowers. Its life begins as a very small egg. This egg is often laid on a specific type of plant. From this tiny egg hatches a larva, which we commonly call a caterpillar. The caterpillar's main job in life is to eat and grow. It sheds its skin many times as it gets bigger. Then it enters a resting stage as a pupa or chrysalis. Inside this protective case, a truly magical transformation occurs unseen. Finally, from the seemingly still chrysalis, the adult butterfly emerges. Its wings are crumpled and soft at first, but soon fluid pumps into them and they expand. They become ready for their very first flight. This whole complex process is called metamorphosis. It is a complete and dramatic change in body form from youth to adult. Many different kinds of insects go through this amazing cycle. Now contrast this rapid change with a large mammal like a young bear cub. It will stay close to its mother for 2 years or even more. The bear cub learns many vital skills by watching and imitating its mother. It learns where to find juicy berries and nutritious roots. It learns how to catch fish in swift rivers, and it learns how to stay safe from other dangers. It needs this long childhood to become independent and successful. Reptiles, such as tiny sea turtles, have a very different start in life. They hatch from eggs that were buried in the warm sand. They must then make a perilous journey to the sea all on their own. Their powerful instincts guide them towards the water. Growing up involves much more than just an increase in physical size. It is a period of intense and continuous learning. Baby animals must acquire many essential skills. These skills are absolutely crucial for their survival in the wild. They learn by carefully observing their parents. They also watch other adults in their social group. Play is also a very important teacher for young animals. It is serious practice for the challenges of adult life in their environment. There are key moments or significant milestones in their development. For a young predator, like a cheetah cub, learning to hunt is vital. It starts by playfully stalking and pouncing on its siblings. These seemingly innocent games build strength, agility, and coordination. For a fledgling bird, the first flight from the safety of the nest is a huge achievement. It is a brave leap into a new world, a world of independence, but also of new dangers. Young animals learn what foods are safe and nutritious to eat. They discover how to find sources of fresh water. They also learn how to find or create adequate shelter. They master the complex ways to communicate with their own kind. This might be through various sounds, subtle scents, or specific body language. These crucial life lessons are passed down from one generation to the next. It is a continuous and unbroken chain of knowledge. Each piece of information helps them to live. This incredible journey from a dependent, vulnerable baby to a self-sufficient adult is truly remarkable. It is the very foundation of life in the animal kingdom. It ensures that diverse species can continue generation after generation. Every single animal that successfully reaches adulthood has overcome many obstacles. They are true survivors, each one a success story, ready to contribute to the rich and complex tapestry of life on our planet. They carry the hope for the future of their kind.